Okay, it's not even 12 o'clock. You're not eating this anymore.
You look like a dude.
You are a really, really ugly dog. You really are. This is a really, really ugly dog. Hyper, but really, really ugly.
Here, I'll get her.
No.
Go get
I like the puppy breath.
It smells like coffee.
I already got.
I like the puppy breath. Ugly dog, but I like puppy breath. Hi. I don't know what you are, but you're pretty ugly.
Just remember, you're in charge. Picture yourself as a hungry jungle cat. And that girl over there?
Get him. Okay, so what is this thing?
It's called the junk.
So if it dropped, it would break.
What? What?
It's called a jug. And his name is
Rosie.
Rosie.
No, it's gonna be called the thing I almost sat on.
And it's a Jack Russell and Pug.
It's gonna be called Tia.
Tia.
Thing I almost sat on. It would be Tisso. Fine, it's Tisso. No, it's Tieso. Thing I almost sat on.
Tieso?
Yeah, Tieso. Come here, Tieso. Come here, Tieso.
You're so mean.
Still kind of ugly.
Take your jacket there.
Still
Okay, your camera's in there.
pretty darn ugly. But it has puppy breath.
Oh, you want another dog? I'll buy you a dog.
Yeah, right.
Huh?
Yeah, right. I have enough of mine.
Oh, there's one that never gets big. There's pictures on Kijiji on it. It says never gets big. And it's on Lois Avenue. It's just up here.
Roll over. Roll over.
And it's between Chihuahua
No.
and a Shih Tzu.
No, definitely not.
First thing say no. Definitely not.
See, this thing is ugly. This thing is attacking the camera.
It's like, I like the camera.
You licked my lens. Bad TSO. Bad TSO.
Okay.
That's what you will call it from now on. TSO.
You can, it already knows Rosie.
Clearly it doesn't.
Rosie!
TSO. Come here, TSO. Come here. Come here, TSO.
No. Rosie.
Close enough. Yeah.
She knows how to march.
Yeah, but no, that's just puppy walk. But you can retrain a dog for a name. It's gonna be TSO.
No, it isn't.
It's a bird.
It's a burnt.
It's a bird. We put it in the cage.
You
Put a blanket over top, it goes right to sleep.
It's a bird-like substance mixed with a dog. And that's
So
why it's
you.
not- You jerk.
Okay, kid, let's go.
What time do you think you guys are going to be back? It only takes like an hour to walk through that place.
Yeah, but I have my good camera. I have photos to take, and I'm vlogging.
You have a YouTube?
Yeah.
What's
I'm
yours?
I'm actually quite popular, thank you. I'm making money off of it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
How the hell are you making money?
Because one of my photo. Okay. What else? What?
What's that?
What?
That picture. No, in here. Oh, you did Angel. Okay. Wonder who the picture
See?
was. No. I know, I just looked that up.
Okay, so you watch Kasim G,
Yeah,
Shay Tards,
yeah,
Shay Caro,
yeah,
I Just Game,
yeah,
CTFXC.
yeah. Oh, that's your face.
Yeah!
Yeah, but it looks like a hood.
It's my hair!
I know, but from here, it
probably-
looks like a gray hoodie. I'm trying to figure out who put the
you-
gray hoodie.
You got the glare.
Yeah. What's that say?
EIP. Katie Lett,
Yep.
Allie,
Yep.
Charles, Trippy,
Yep.
the station.
Yep. So what are you doing that for?
I vlog, therefore I am. Dave Days.
Believe your eyes. 10 million home supplies appeared and taught me how to live. I test out every
Dave Dave's that new place over there? Is that
isn't it? Yeah.
Is it Dave Dave's?
Yep. Frolic.
Sing it.
I like to make myself believe that I could die here happy. Everything I ever need is right in front of me. I think there's something wrong with this TV. Nap time. Clown. I don't believe him. Calm down.
Are you playing this on YouTube?
Yep. Best thing around town. She's nothing like a girl you ever seen before. I got a bit so long it almost hits the floor. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. Damn, you's a bearded chick. A bearded chick. Damn, you's a bearded chick.
See, Angel, this is how you vlog. You hold really scary things. No, you don't. Jeff?
She's not scary.
I'm cute.
I'll show you Reed too. Like, she is my princess. I take care of her. I baby her. And
That is a fit. I think this has to be the thumbnail.